Alright family, good morning to you all and welcome to the channel. It's your brother Prince Ayoko sending my greetings to you from Tamale, northern Ghana. How are you doing? How is our families at your side doing? And how is everyone doing? Before I start this video, please, I want to tell you to kindly subscribe to this channel for more good contents, as well as share these videos and click on the notifications bell, and then like the videos as well. So today I'm at a local blacksmith shop, and the blacksmith himself is my uncle, and he's so busily working right now, but as of now he's on he's taking his breakfast. And his son, this small boy, just look at this small boy, fanning the fire for his father to work. This is Africa for you. This is northern Ghana blacksmith tradition for you. And look at the whole thing. So he's fanning it from over there, and this is where the fire is. The boy is amazing. So this boy, before he becomes like 10 years, he will already know the job. Because look at this age and look at what he's doing. This is so strong, you understand? And this is a typical northern Ghana blacksmith tradition, as well as typical, northern Ghana village life, where children are even stronger than, some older people. And as I always tell you, this is not about child labor. This is not about child labor. It's not about child labor, and it's not related to any kind of child labor. It is about building the future generation through, craftsmanship, through hand trades, through artisanship, and through, knowledge. You understand? So now his father himself has taken over the farm, and he's going home. So I'm just sharing with you about the blacksmith tradition in northern Ghana. His father is going to make hoes from this metal. As you can see, he has marked the hoes. He has marked them. So he's going to make hoes from this plow discs. So he has his hammer, he has his plier, he has his chisel, he has his water, he has his simple tools that he used to work. Okay, so family, this is where I'm going to end today's video. Till we meet again on my next video. I'm sending a very, wonderful and blessed love to all of you, and I pray that the ancestors and the Almighty God will keep us united, give us the love for each other, grant us good health, and grant us all the best we want in life, as well as prosperity and abundance of wisdom and knowledge. Thank you so much for your time. Have a wonderful day. Peace.